Mix by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new product to review, the Oppo A79, a new mid-range 5G from Oppo that was recently launched globally. But it is worth buying? Let's take a closer look at this device and see what it can offer. But before that, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. The Oppo A79 5G has a sleek and slim design with a thickness of only 8mm and a weight of 193 grams. It has a plastic back with a glossy finish. Unfortunately, it is a fingerprint magnet. It comes with 3 color options: mystery black, dazzling purple, and glowing green. The back also houses a dual camera setup and LED flash, while the fingerprint scanner is located on the right side along with a volume rocker. The front of the phone has a 6.72-inch IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 391 ppi. The display has a punch hole for the selfie camera and a thin bezels at the bottom. The display also has a Panda glass protection and a peak brightness of 680 nits. The phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, a stereo speaker at the bottom, and a dual SIM tray at the left. The phone is also IPX4 splash resistant, which means it can withstand some water splashes but not submersion. Under the hood, the Oppo A79 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, which is a 7nm octa-core processor with a clock speed of 2.2 GHz paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU and supports 5G connectivity. This phone has 8GB of RAM plus 8GB of RAM expansion to boost performance and 256GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via micro SD card. In terms of CPU and Antutu benchmark, it scores 391, 250 scores, which are not impressive. The phone runs on Android 13 with Oppo's ColorOS 13.1 skin on top. The phone has 5000 mAh battery, which supports 33 watts fast charging. Oppo claims that the phone can charge up to 51% in 30 minutes. Moving on to the camera, the Oppo A79 5G has a dual camera setup on the back, consisting of a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The main camera can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second and has features like HDR, panorama, and night mode. The selfie camera is an 8MP shooter with f2.0 aperture, which can also record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second and has HDR and beautification modes. The camera performance is decent but not exceptional. It can capture good details and colors in daylight but struggles in low light and indoor scenarios. The depth sensor helps in creating a natural bokeh effect, but the edge detection is not very accurate. The selfie camera is also average and tends to smoothen the skin and overexpose the background. The video quality is also mediocre and lacks stabilization and dynamic range. The Oppo A78 5G is priced at 899 dirhams here in Dubai, or around 12,600 pesos in the Philippines. This makes it one of the cheapest 5G phones in the market, but also one of the most expensive phones in the Oppo A series. The phone faces tough competition from the other brands such as Moto G54 5G, which has a better chipset, a higher refresh rate, a bigger selfie camera, and a lower price. You can check my review of that phone as well. Now here is my final verdict. So, is the Oppo A79 5G worth buying? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want a 5G phone with a large and sharp display, a decent battery life, and a sleek design, then the Oppo A79 5G might be a good option for you. However, if you want a phone with a better camera, a better performance, a better refresh rate, and a better value for money, then you might want to look elsewhere. The Oppo A79 5G is not a bad phone, but it is not a great phone either. It is a phone that tries to do everything but excels at nothing. Alright guys, that's our review of the new Oppo A79 5G. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.